question, we are required to find the number of solutions of the equation y is equal to 1 by x and y is equal to x square minus 9. So to solve these kind of questions where we are given two functions and required to find out how many places they actually intersect, it is very useful and very easy to actually draw both the graphs. In this particular case, both the graphs are quite straightforward. If you're first drawing the graph of y is equal to 1 by x, let us first draw the y-axis and the x-axis. If you're drawing the graph y is equal to 1 by x, when x is very low, when x is very close to minus infinity, what is the value of 1 by x? 1 by x will be very close to 0 and it will be on the slightly negative side because x is negative. So the value of y is equal to 1 by x when x is very close to infinity will be something like this. It will continue to go lower and lower. At the point y is equal to minus 1, x also will be equal to minus 1. And then as x tends to become 0, but from the negative side, the value of 1 by x will continue to decrease quite a lot. For example, when x is equal to say minus 0.01, then the value of y, which is equal to 1 by x, will be equal to minus 100, which is a very large negative number. So it will continue to go like this towards 0. But immediately after x crosses over 0, and if say x becomes equal to 0.01, then the value of y will become equal to 100, which is a very large positive number. So it will look something like this. It will continue to come down, and as x tends towards infinity, the value of y tends towards 0. And this will also pass through a point 1, 1. This is basically the graph of y is equal to 1 by x. Now how does the graph of y is equal to x square minus 9 look? Y is equal to x square is a very simple graph. It is a parabola. It will look something like this. The graph of y is equal to x square will pass through origin. It is symmetrical around the y-axis, and this is y is equal to x square. But when you are writing y is equal to x square minus 9, you have to just pull the graph 9 units below. So it will be something like this. And it will intersect the y-axis at the point 0, minus 9. This is the graph of y is equal to x square minus 9. So it will look something like this. So as you can see, the number of points of intersection of both the graphs are 1, 2 and 3. So both of them intersect in exactly 3 points.